Boom. Alright, so welcome back. So today we're going to be doing Lampiao. Let me go ahead and... So he's going to be on Proving Grounds. Go ahead and CD into on desktop. Proving Grounds Lam. Did I actually make a directory for this? Nope. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and make directory. Lampiao. Okay. We'll CD in there. I do already have my VPN up and running, and go ahead and ping this guy. I'll see if we get something, and we do. Cool. So we can start with an mmap scan, then we'll open up cherry tree and everything like that. So let's go ahead and start our mmap. Normal scan. I like to do all ports, do not ping, very verbose, timing of 4, and then no DNS lookup, right? Al, I'm glad that your computer is working okay again. We do have a port 80 in there, so before we even start the other guy, let's go ahead and Python 3 dir search.py. We can use yeah, we'll use that. HTTP. We can use medium.txt, I guess. What? The wordless file does not exist. Maybe it doesn't exist. User share wordless dirbuster. What? Oh, probably because I forget that if you copy it in here, then actually has a space. The wordless file. What do you mean the wordless file does not exist? Yes, it does. Why is this guy not? Why is he not able to see anything after dirbuster? Why did dirbuster go away? Is it real? What the heck just happened? Where'd dirbuster go? Oh, apt-get install. Where the heck did dirbuster go? Dirbuster. Did I spell it wrong up there? No, it'd be impossible for me to spell it wrong up there, because I just pressed tab. Why did you just go away all of a sudden? Because of this crap, like right here, that's why. Alright, let's go ahead and, because earlier I was trying to do a different thing on Try Hack Me, which I'm not going to do anymore. I'm not going to do that raw one anymore, but that's was deleted. That's why whenever I was trying to do that guy. Alright, so let's go ahead and we'll do a Python 3, I guess, dir search. We'll just use big.txt, I guess, for now. dir/b/big.txt. We'll go ahead and type in, what's the IP address for this guy right there. There we go. And let's also go ahead and throw a, really, cannot connect to it. Why can't you connect to it? Port 80 is up and running. Okay. So let's go ahead and check it out like real quick. Let's go ahead and check out port 80. It's easy. Okay. Control U that. And GoBus is not showing anything. Let's try a Nicto scan maybe. Try that like real quick. See if we do a Nicto with it. See if we can get anything. Let me know web server found. What is going on like right now? There's 100% of web server. I'm staring at it. Why is it doing it like that? I was having a problem with this the other day, and I had to like download like a whole new VPN and stuff like that. So I have to do that. I'm done. Not doing it. Let's see. Yes. Yeah, I'm manually do it with robots. 448. Let's nothing in here that's saying to change like the IP address. Let's try a rust scan on it, I guess. See if that does anything. 1898, what is that? Nmap. VTech is VTech B 1898. What's the IP address? We'll go ahead and check out what that is. Syntech port. Let's try 1898 over here also. See if we get anything. Lampiao. Okay, here we go. Lampiao do certo. Okay. Username. I don't know. Admin. I don't know. You never know. Let's go ahead and try. Okay. Question mark equals. Have you forgotten your password? Yeah. Username. Okay. Let's get email. New password. That's not really gonna work now. Is it create a new account? And then we need an email address, and it's going to send us an email, so that's not really going to work very well now, is it? So let's go ahead and do a go buster on this guy right here, and then Nicto scan everything, so we'll do a Nicto first. Let's see if go buster will actually work for us now over here, or Python 3, see if we actually get to go, there we go, okay, cool, directory list 2.3 medium.txt, and we will do that for port 1898, right? Wasn't that it? Port 1898. Okay. And let's go ahead and let those two guys run. Drupal. Uncommon found with contents Drupal 7. Isn't there a Drupal get-in? MSF console. Well, we're in. No, I didn't even take one note yet also. Oh god. Okay, so Lampiao. Okay, so nmap scan. Nmap shows this. Go to print screen. Boom. Okay, and from there we did a Nicto scan. Shows this. 480. 480 was useless. Nicto and GoBuster not able to connect. And then we found 1898. For 1898. Boom. And then we also have all this stuff over here. So there's something else we have that we can look at. Upgrade.txt, but we did find Drupal. That Drupal is a big deal. And we also have this robots.txt too. So let's go ahead and check out this robots.txt. User agent crawled away. Disallow. Jesus. I think Drupal's like, I think all this crap in here is just to kind of throw you off. Drupal's where we want to be at. So we do find a robots.txt also. Boom. But I think we just kind of got lucky with that Drupal like right there. Drupal 7, which means that we should be able to do Drupal get-in, but that's on Metasploit. So let's go ahead and do a search exploit for Drupal. I don't actually know how Drupal get-in actually works. I just know that we can do it. That's a thing. Drupal get-in 3. That's for Drupal 7. Here we go. Okay, Drupal get-in SQL injection. Alright, so we got Python, PHP, Python. Do we just have like a text one? Like a .text where I can just see how it works? Let's go ahead and grab one of these guys. Let's go ahead and grab this Python one, I guess. So we'll go ahead and do a search exploit attack M. We'll go ahead and throw that guy in there. Let's go ahead and do a cat for that 3.4. See what this guy's all about, what we're actually doing here. Okay, so Drupal 7x SQL injection. We saw that was 7 down there. This could also be Drupal get-in 3, which is 7.58. It just said 7. It just says Drupal 7. That's all it says. It doesn't actually tell us which one we're on. Usually if you try one, it doesn't work, you just try the other one. These are both authenticated though. We have yet to authenticate. So then we also have Drupal get-in 8. So I'm going over probably doing this SQL injection up here somewhere. Import boom boom host equals sys user equals sys argument. I don't know what the hell user is. Print host username password. Password equals that. I don't know what the password is. What? Log in with that user. Oh, I think this is the one that actually goes out there and creates a username and password for me, I think. So let me go and type in Python. Is it Python 3 or is it Python? I think it's just Python. I don't know. Python. The host is going to be, well, we also have to tell what port it's on too now, don't we? That's going to be where we come up with this pain in the butt, huh? Or maybe not. Maybe I can just type in the host with the port of 1898. So 192.168.84.48. 1898. Alright, may I just do that? And we'll say Ryan, and we'll say admin. We'll say Ryan. Let's try that. Oh, Python. Boom. Okay, so from Drupal pass import Drupal hash. What? No module name Drupal pass. Those are facts. Like I didn't create this, so those are 100% facts. I'm about to just use let's add a user. Here, let's go ahead and actually move this way over. See which one is which. Admin session, reset password, remote code execution. What's this admin session one? That's the add admin user. Admin session. Is I supposed to put in like the hash or something like that? For the last one? Because it says, the last one said, what does it say? From Drupal pass import Drupal hash. Then it has this. No module named Drupal pass. So Drupal pass doesn't exist in that one, so we'd have to actually go out and actually find that one, huh? Let's go ahead and see how this guy works. What do we want here? Include comments, username equals admin, URL, boom, boom. Argument 1, user ID, argument 2. Okay, so MSF console. Like if you want to mess with it, you can 100% go for it. A lot of people, whenever they're doing this kind of stuff, like, oh nope, we need to do it this way. But I don't know. We can do it without it. We can try both ways. Drupal. We have Drupal getting, yeah. Okay. HTTP parameter key value. Okay, I think it's that one that we want, like right there. Use that guy. This one doesn't work for Drupal getting 2. Want to show options. Set L host. That is 192.168.49. I'm gonna go with boom. All port will keep the same. Set our port as 1898, right? Wasn't that what it was? 1898. Yep. Okay. Set our host as 192.168.84.48. We'll go ahead and run that. That could work. Wonder if we're even using the right exploit here. I wonder if we're supposed to be using 2, or you know, if I'm supposed to be doing more than what I'm doing like right now. I feel like I'm supposed to like give it like more information. So we also don't know. Can we do like a change log in here? Change log.txt. Can we do anything like that? We can. So 7.54. That was the last one that was put in here. 7.54 it looks like. So which one is for 7.54? That would be Drupal. That's probably 2. So we probably search for Drupal again, and it's probably gonna be this one. Probably use that guy. Show options. set RL host as 192, boom, boom, 4. Okay. I think it would be at least. I think that it would be 2. And then we'll set our port as 1898, right? And then set our host as this guy right here, right? Man, that's a super close together, like the IP's like flipped. It's weird. We'll go ahead and run that. So Drupal getting 2. Figured that one out. I think. It's taking a little bit longer. It's doing something. Something is happening. My mic is messed up. There we go. I wonder if we need to change like target URI. I don't know if we change target URI too. I don't think we would. SSL's fault. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know what's happening. I don't know if anything's happening. So this guy did it on Drupal again too. He used Ruby. Well, I wonder where he got the exploit from though. Okay, so he downloaded that exploit. Oh, we got an interpreter show, never mind. So I guess we could have always just downloaded an exploit. Who am I? How about that? Let's start off with who am I, see who we are. Shell. Then we'll do a ID. Okay, so who am I? Rob's WJ data. Go ahead and CD or let's go ahead and cat Etsy, and I did not do anything with that. Jesus. Come on, Ryan. Website was vulnerable to Drupal getting 2. Then we went to that changelog.txt, right? Boom. Okay. Then from there we did a we're in the box now. I mean, we're here now. So let's go ahead and do a this guy like right here, and then we'll go ahead and show that we are now in. Okay. Cool. Now let's do a there's our changelog and everything. Let's cd into our cat Etsy password. See what user runs box. Looks like Medi. CD into home. CD into Tiago. Cat local.txt. Okay, cool. We found one. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, and then we'll go grab this like right here, and we throw that over here. Boom. Now we just need to figure out how to upgrade here. So we don't know anything. Let's go ahead and place like SU into this guy. We have a Vim info, but we can't read that. Dash RC cache. So like right now we just gotta figure out, okay, how do we Vim infos ran by root? Like where can we go to actually do anything, right? I'm wondering, does Drupal have like something like a I don't know what I'm trying to think of. Let's go ahead and do a yes, I do know. cd var www cd HTML. Kind of like a config.php log or anything like that. Does Drupal have anything like that? Web config update.php. cron.php, authorize.php, something like that. Install mysql.txt. It's like a real box. That would definitely be something I would be looking at. Let's go ahead and cat that guy. Authorize.php. See if there's anything in here that we could actually utilize. Okay.
It closes at 3, but I want to see what Halloween craft it has.
Okay.
Alright, I love you.
I love you too. Alright, so nothing in there. Oh, thank you very much, Al. Alright, so do a uname. Let's go into CD and attempt. We'll start to send some crap at it, huh? Let's go ahead and send over stop this. Let's go ahead and send over, we'll copy privilege escalation on some scripts, and we'll also copy what is it? Linux exploit suggester, right? Yep. Yep, into here. Okay. Cool. So let's go ahead and copy those two in here, and we will do a ifconfig, and then we'll do a python tac-m simple server 888. Let's go ahead and get a full shell going out over here. Let's go ahead and cat scripts full shell. Which Python? Okay, we do have Python as box. Cool. Boom, boom. There we go. Okay. Now let's go ahead and see if we can start sending some stuff over here. wget http 888/les.sh, and then same exact thing. wget http 888 slash what's it called again? Lampiao.sh. Okay, cool. Go ahead and stop this guy over here. Alright, let's go ahead and do a, okay, I can't do that yet. Let's go ahead and do a what's it called? Change mode plus X for les.sh, and then change mode plus X for limpies.sh, and we'll go ahead and run let's run les.sh first because it's a lot easier to run than limpies. Not nearly as big. We'll see if there's anything that's like, oh yep, that'll work. So we have a eBPF verifier. It's like we have dirty cow, which dirty cow always seems to work for some reason. If you don't know, there's still dirty cow at it. That's all I've come to learn. Chocobo root. Let's like always so dirty cow at it. Highly probable, highly probable, highly probable. Let's try the ePBF. I think we've done the ePBF verifier on this channel before though, a few times now. Or we've sent that stuff and we just never saw it work. We don't know, but yeah, it's definitely a kernel exploit on this guy. So let's do see if we can't do that. Let's go ahead and run that les.sh again, like real quick. Look at this again, and we do have a bunch of highly probable ones in here. We'll check those guys out. So dirty cow 2 is highly probable. Dirty cow is highly probable. We could always try dirty cow 2. Search exploit dirty cow. Oh, Japanese people are talking outside. They have this like weird like vehicle that drives around. I don't know. It's weird. Alright, so dirty cow 2. Here's dirty cow and stuff. Which one? Privilege escalation. Privilege escalation. Which one do you want me to send that though? Let's try Chocobo root, huh? Let's try that one. I don't think chokeable root. I don't think we ever had that actually work. Search for it. I mean, here it is. That's a Metasploit one, huh? Ruby. Can we run that with Ruby? I don't think I've ever had this actually work though for me. We are in Metasploit right now. We could technically run it if we want to. We could actually come up here. Control Z, yes. Enter. Control Z, yes. And then search for chokeable. And then we could use 0. Show options. And we should just be able to put the session, set lhost as 192.168.4 whatever. Okay, set the L port as 5555 maybe. Set session as, should be 1. If we do a session stack I, could always set session to 1 and see if that works. Then we can run that. Not vulnerable, tolerance not vulnerable. Okay, so we can always do a force exploit. Set force exploit to true. We can run that. We can just try it. Does not appear to be vulnerable. Linux exploit just said it was, although it always says chokeable root's vulnerable, I feel like. Yeah, it didn't work. Okay, so let's go ahead and try Dirty Cow, huh? Can we search Dirty Cow on here? Never know. Okay. Let's go ahead and go back into session stack I, sessions 1, get back into there, right? And search exploit dirty. Or we can always just look it up on Dirty Cow. Dirty Cow exploit. Dirty Cow, boom. And that is 100% Japanese. Doesn't help me out at all. Okay, let's go ahead and try this guy. View exploit. We have all these guys like right here. I think it's just gonna be that Dirty Cow one. This time I've done it though, it's always been something weird though. But we should be able to actually grab the one for search exploit for Dirty Cow. We'll try this guy right here first. Etsy password method. That's a CPP. I don't know what that is actually. I'm gonna try this guy then. Let's go ahead and grab this guy and we'll do a GCC with him and see what happens. Search exploit tac m. Okay, let's go ahead and cat that. See what he's actually doing there. I haven't really ever used Dirty Cow. So, how with that? Then run the newly create binary by either doing or dirty my new password. Afterwards, you can either su firefart or sh firefart at. Oh, okay. Don't forget to restore your Etsy password. Okay, I don't care about restoring Etsy password at all. The default is firefart. So I think it's just firefart the firefart, right? For the default, I believe. So let's go ahead and do a GCC. Go ahead and grab all that. Let's make sure GCC is on this box first. Go ahead and do a shell. We'll type in GCC. Okay, cool. So it is on this box. So let's go ahead and do a simple server. Scripts full shell like real quick. Let's go ahead and get a full shell going in here. cdn/temp. Okay, and then we'll do a wget http. And let's go ahead and move this guy over into dirty, right? So we'll move that to dirty.c, I think. Dirty.c, I feel like. Alright. Because we do need to compile him or whatever. So how are we compiling him? Yep, dirty.c. Okay, we'll go ahead and do that. And then from there we can do a I have config down here. Let's grab my IP address again. 8888/dirty.c. Okay, cool. Cat dirty.c. Let's grab that. How exactly how they want us to do the compile it. Control-Shift-C, Control-Shift-V, okay, ls-LA, so we should have dirty in here now, we do, /dirty, and then please enter the new password, firefart, and the user should also be firefart. That's you into firefart. Can we SSH? Firefart at, what's that IP address again? 192.168.84.48. 192.168.84.48. Firefart. That's weird. Okay. I feel like it should be responding. That's the problem with Dirty Cow. Sometimes it breaks it. Which seems to be what happened this time, is it broke it, didn't it? Alright, it broke alright. Yeah. So Dirty Cow broke it. Alright. Oh boy. Oh, no, okay, I thought we were about to ping again. I got excited. So it looks like Dirty Cow may have broken the machine. I think we're just going to have to reset this guy, and we're going to have to try a different exploit. Revert. Yes, please. Alright, we'll try that again. I think we broke it, so don't use Dirty Cow. Maybe cow root? Try that one. Sure, there's a bunch of them we could probably try. There's always the one problem with that guy, huh? Still preparing. Still preparing. Jesus. Still preparing. I'll have to just say screw this and well, I mean, at least we know the way in, like, very, very quickly. I have 0 hours left. I had 3 a minute ago. Okay, so that guy's back up. Okay, so let's go ahead and make sure he is actually back up and running. We'll try a different one. Alright, so he's back up and running, right? Search for, that was cute. Yeah, that was something. That happens a lot with Dirty Cow, though, is all of a sudden it just, everything just fails. Alright, let's go ahead and use this guy. Set the set or show options. Set lhost. Okay, lhost is good. Lport is good. Everything else is good. Let's go ahead and run it. And we know it's going to take a minute to run. And let's try to search for some other ones for Dirty Cow. I think cowroot.c. I've always had good. Cowroot.c has always helped me out. This one's one of the ones that usually aren't that bad. Like right here. You just have to pick if it's 86 or 64, which this one's already using 64. Looks like it's already good to go. So, and I think we're using a 64-bit system here, right? I'm pretty sure we are. If I do a uname tac A, do a shell uname tac A. I don't know what I'm using here. I think I'm using 64-bit. I don't know. Let's go ahead and let's send it. We'll see what happens. Let's go ahead and grab this whole thing. calroot.c. Alright. Yeah, you. I want you. Let's just search for it. calroot. Do I have that? Oh, there we go. There's Linux exploit dirty cow. Race condition. What is a CPP? What is a CPP like right there? Does anyone know? Is that still like a C shell? We're gonna try it. We're gonna try to compile that one. I don't know. Search exploit tac M U CPP. I don't know what that is. What language is that? I don't know what language that one is. Al, do you know what language CPP is? I'm gonna go with no, but you know, you never know. Al might be like, yeah, it's this. Duh. All right, looks like we're doing as a password, text password, dirty cow fun. So does password become dirty cow fun? I'm wondering. All right, let's try it. Let's see what happens. Looks like it puts the net spell. Looks like it does pretty much the exact thing, huh? How do we compile this guy though? So this guy's name's supposed to be 48. Okay, so that, yeah, alright. So way to run. Decal automatically do an echo, boom, boom. Okay, so period slash decal s recommended way to run. Well, I'm going to do an echo 0 proxies decal right backs. I don't think I need all that. I think I just need to just run it on this one. So I guess just okay, cool. Let's go ahead and upload this guy. So we'll do an upload 40847.cpp. Let's do a shell again. Then we'll go ahead and I guess do that with it. Probably should have did a full thing first. And that's decal. I mean, it worked. That's that. Let's go ahead and do a full shell. Cat scripts full shell. We know that Python 2 is already on the box, right? So let's go ahead and grab this guy. And let's go ahead and period slash decal. I don't know if we need. I don't think we need tac s. I feel like that's what's making the. What's it called? The That's what like makes the little thing for it. Or, Jesus, that's what makes the backup. That's you in the root. And supposedly the password is now dirty cow fun. I like that one. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. I like, that's a good one, like right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm just gonna have just this like right here. I like him. So we'll go over here. We'll say Drupal, then we'll say privesc. That one was very friendly. That one, no playing around that guy, huh? Now let's attack LA, and we can go ahead and cat that proof dot text. Now let's try to do this without Metasploit. The second one, I mean that one we can do whenever. You know, that we don't need Metasploit for that. But the Drupal, to be able, let's do Drupal 2 without Metasploit now. So let's go ahead and look up Drupal 2, Drupal get in 2 without Metasploit again. This guy used Ruby on Hack the Box Bastard. I guess he used it, so I guess we could always scroll on down and figure out. So he did a git clone of here. So let's go ahead and see what that is. Open link a new tab. So CVE Drupal, okay, yep, 7.58. We did see that our change text, right? So let's go ahead and actually head back over to my notes. We'll say without Metasploit. Boom. Port 1898 without Metasploit. There we go, okay. And we'll go ahead and we'll do this like a little guy right here. Boom. Go ahead and grab that guy up there. Okay, and let's go ahead and see what this is all about. Code git clone. Okay, so we got that guy, right? And now how do we run it? Usage, Ruby, boom, boom, okay. So let's go ahead and do an ls stack LA. CD into Drupal get in 2. And we sure enough, we do have a Ruby file in there. Okay, cool. So this guy wrote for Ruby, which if you wrote for Ruby, well, that's, you know, Metasploit, but we're not using it as Metasploit, which I think is funny. I like that. So we can say Ruby, Drupal get in 2.ruby, and we can see, okay, Drupal get in 2 main, boom, boom, load such file, cannot require, cannot load such file, boom. Okay, so how did this guy use it over here now? So he did a sudo gem install highline. The script depends on a Ruby module called highline. Let's go ahead and grab that. Highline. Don't know if I need to type in gem. Sudo gem. Do I even have gem? Yeah. Install highline. Yep, that 100% works. Okay. Sudo gem install highline on Kali worked. Alright, cool. Alright, now we can go ahead and do that again. Ruby, boom, okay. There we go. There's our usage, target, authentication, verbose. Alright, let's go ahead and hit that target, I guess. So how did he do it over here? He did a Ruby, and he actually put it like that. So we just got to do a Ruby, then the IP address, right? That's what it should be. And then 1898, obviously. So we'll do 192, or HTTP, 192.168.84.48, 1898, right? And then we gotta do TAC authentication. Did he do anything with that? No, he did not. Let's just try it. Okay, no such file or directory. Did I load error? Oh. Sitting here like, wait, do I need to kind of tell it where it's going? Okay, so, okay, it's doing stuff. It is doing stuff right now. Cool, 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 cool. And we look like we are in. We are. We got into it. Alright, cool. So it did all that. So this was without. And everything seems to have broken now. I can't like do like Control Shift print screen anymore. That's weird. Control Shift print screen, right? I don't know what's going on, but that's okay. No. That's okay though? Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. Boom. Alright, we got that, right? I don't know what it's doing. I'm pretty sure I just used the Windows print screen option for that guy. Let me come down here and control to print screen, and we can see, boom. So we have now done it with both with and without Metasploit. And then from here we can obviously do a wget for our actual shell thing, so we can see the temp, right? And we can just do that wget /temp. Ooh, but we can't get anywhere. Okay, that's a problem now, isn't it? Now what? If I can't get anywhere, then what can I possibly do? What did you do? You're in Windows, so, and you were able to what, move around or whatever else? Well, from here, you make a directory here? So did I just make a directory? Well, I did. I made a directory. Make directory temp. cd and temp. Yeah, I'm making these directories stuff like that. There's temp. Make directory Ryan. And there's Ryan. See what I'm saying? cd and Ryan, but I can't do that. Can we echo something in there? Echo hi into Ryan/Ryan.text. Huh. Okay. So I'm not able to get anywhere. But we did get in like this, but we're just not able to actually do anything. I guess from here we can start looking at this kind of stuff. Cat authorize.php. We do that. We can, okay, we can cat stuff, okay. Could do that. Shell.php. What's this? What's this shell.php? Request, system request command. Huh. Okay. So let's see what happens. Like once in with Drupal get in cannot move through our file system. 1 second, my wife just texted me. Sent me a photo. Oh my God, I could be freaking Lieutenant Dan. I'm not Lieutenant Dan. The dude from what is it? The dude from Reno 911. Alright, fine. My name is moved. Okay. Dirty cow exploits. Because I don't think I could do like. Can I do like a GCC here, like right now? Can I put something? Can I do a wget like right now? Can I run something in here? Because if I can do like a wget, then everything I'm doing is for nothing. So can I? Let's take away. Let's go ahead and do. And we did that one like right there, right? So we'll do is ifconfig. Alright. And then we'll do a Python. We already got the Python, so we do a wget. HTTP 192.168.49.84 8888. That. We got it. So can we do a GCC, that whole gcat, that guy? Can we do this whole thing again and just send it off at it? I feel like I can't go anywhere, but I wonder if we don't have to go anywhere. Huh. I wonder if I should do all of that out here and then do it like that, and then just send off decal at it. permission denied. Can I change mode 777 for decal? Okay. So that didn't really work very well now, did it? And I couldn't. G++ didn't work over here, but it does work up here. So I guess we could try to put a file into here and then run it. That's really the only thing I can think of, because I'm not able to move anywhere in here. For some reason, G++ is just not working with this guy. G not found. That's weird. But, well, we got in without it, but we're not able to move anywhere really without it. So, if anybody else has another idea, please do let me know. Tell me what you guys did, things like that. But yeah, that'll be it for today with Lampiao. And yeah, I am going to get your PCS service. I don't know. I'm gonna try to put Windows 11 on here. So you guys have a good one. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.